What's up, guys? Your boy Lucian also 34 here. I'm doing unboxing on some thumbsticks and a screwdriver I ordered, the controller. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright. Big ass knife comes from a little one. Oh, damn. Swear, man. Oh, here goes. Torx screwdriver for the controller. Here goes. Came in this. The packaging. Alright, let's get to the thumbsticks. Alright. Thumbsticks. Here goes a little receipt shit from the place that I ordered it from. They sell all kinds of crap. That, all this Wii Center and all that. They sell all this crap. Alright, so here goes thumbsticks. They're orange. Look very good, very nice. Orange thumbsticks. And that's all. So yeah, here's an unboxing of the screwdriver, thumbsticks that I ordered. So yeah, I will be putting them on this controller, this white controller right here. Yeah, that's it. Playing GTA. Hungry as fuck. I'm about to go eat Taco Bell. Tell my dad to take me. Alright, so that was the unboxing, guys. Stay tuned for some more. It's your boy Lucian. Peace out.